So our viewers, you do well to subscribe to our channels. Okay, so the passage says in English, say in the passage below, okay, the number gap indicates missing words. So you're going to fill the missing words over there in the passage. Okay, so the missing words is what you fill. Say letter A to E for each option. Okay, choose the word that's suitable for the number and the gaps in the passage. Number one, cheap cameras are dash for most purposes. Cheap cameras are dash for most purposes. So cheap cameras are adequate. Okay, number one, adequate B for most purposes. Okay, it said, but they have certain dash if you try to take dash. But they have certain dash if you try to take dash. They have certain limitation if you try to take a close-ups. Okay, then it says here that with them the picture looks dash, the picture looks blurred. Okay, that's option B, number 4. The picture looks blurred, and good results are only possible if the high good. On the other hand, the daylight camera are more difficult to dash, they are more difficult to operate, and are therefore not suitable for the dash, and therefore are not and therefore not suitable for the dash. Okay, that's option C for number 6. They are not suitable for what to call a novice. Okay, novice is someone that first handle it, okay, that doesn't know anything concerning it. The film used by most cameras is wound inside a seal dash. Sealed, number 7, is wound inside a sealed reel. It's called a sealed reel. We're going to see it. So it said the film used by most cameras is wound inside a sealed reel. Look at number 7, the options in number 7. I think you're going to see it. Okay, let me scroll to the options in number 7. Yeah, sealed reel. Okay, option A, sealed reel. Then every time you press the dash of the camera in order to take a picture, okay, a small length of film, every time you press it, said projected, okay, time you said projected, the projected of the camera, okay, in order to take a picture, a small length of film dash. Number 9, small length of anytime you press the shutter, then a small length of film projects. Small length of film projects. Then when the whole film of say 24 shots, when the whole film of 24 shots has been used, it is removed from the camera and given to a specialist for. So when you're given to a specialist, what do you think is given to a specialist after you have taken a picture with it? To process. A specialist is there to process it. Okay, so that is it. So we'll go to the other options, other one that are there. It said he left his home village to live in a licentious life in the big city. That's immoral life in the city. Okay, that's number B. Then the child misdemeanor, we are never taken serious by his parents. Okay, the child wrongdoings, we are never taken serious by his parents. Okay, I'll go further. Number 13, the new play was a flop. That's a failure. The new play, was a flop. That's failure. Then number 14 says, I wrote out the telegram and handed it to very sorry clerk for checking. That's bad-tempered person for check. His latest work has done, number 15, much to boost his reputation as a writer. So to boost means to increase. As he listened to my story, his face remained inscrutable. Okay, what do you mean inscrutable? His face remained inscrutable. A, hard and cruel. Is it? Okay. Impossible to understand. Option D, impossible to describe, still, and so on and so. So it's impossible to what understand. Okay. Then number 70, fashion in dress sometimes lasts for only a few years, and many cases are even more ephemeral. Okay, that's the answer. A guest should not take a delegatory remark about the food he is offered. That's 18A, delegatory remark. Okay. Then the next option says she was very much upset by the gossip to which she was subjected. Okay, malicious gossip to which she was that's option E, malicious. Okay. Then number 20 said, long after winning this election, he continued to feel towards those who opposed him. So vindictive, that's E, that's victory. Vindictive towards those who oppose him, because he has won the election. Okay. Number 21 says, let me scroll to it. Scroll to number 21. Okay, stopped at number 20, sorry. Okay, that's number 20. So we're going to enter a new topic, a new subject. Okay, we're going to enter biology first before we go to mathematics. So here is the biology. Say, which of the following does a virus have in common with animal cell? What they have in common is the DNA. Okay. Then which vitamin plays an important role in blood clotting? That's vitamin K, option A. All the following help in transportation of substances around the body. Okay, except B, leukocyte. Okay, that's the white blood cell. The actual number of chromosomes in every somatic cell is D, 2N. Okay, 23, altogether 46. Deamination is an essential process for A, formation of hormone. Option B, scroll to option B, formation of antibodies, secretion of bile, formation of what? Urea. The answer is the formation of urea. The central nervous system comprises of what we call the brain and the spinal cord. The part of, that's option A, the part of the stomach nearer to the gullet is called the cardiac sphincter. Okay, cardiac sphincter. Which of the following characters is not sex linked? The only one that is not sex linked is albinism. That's option B. A distinguished feature of mammals is possession of hair. Mammals are known to possess hair. Number 10. All the following are functions of mammalian skins except transportation. Mammalian skin doesn't transport. Which of the following is an organ? Okay, liver is an organ. The division of a blood into two equal halves along a longitudinal plane is called bilateral symmetry. Bilateral, bi is two, bilateral symmetry. The basic point of impact by changes which produce mutation is the dash. Okay, we're going to scroll to that. So we say the one that produce mutation. Scroll to that. A, gametes. Okay, scroll again. B, centroids. Chromatids. D, chromosome. The answer is chromosome. Okay. D. After the meal of a yam has been digested, the highest concentration of glucose is to be found in the, where do you find it? Is it renal artery, femoral? Okay, the answer is hepatic portal vein. Option D. The lymphatic system of mammals rejoins the blood circulatory system at the, where did it rejoin? Is this subclavian vein or aortic or renal vein? Subclavian vein. Okay. Then Bacteria multiply rapidly by what we call binary fusion. Okay. Vaccination, as option D. Vaccination is carried out in order to dash increase the number of red blood cells, stimulate the production of antibodies, check the production of poison, augment the activity of the white blood cell. What does it do? Okay, it stimulates the production of white blood cells, antibodies, sorry. Then the inner, option B. The inner ear contains two main organs, which are what? The cochlear and the semicircular canals. Option A, number 18. Atmospheric nitrogen is converted to soil nitrogen, okay, by use of what we call, option B, lightning and nitrification. Okay. So the last question there, says the association between two nodules of legumes plants, okay, and rhizome, especially, is known as symbiosis. Okay, so that is it. So in our next class, we'll work on chemistry.